Good morning, this is Ryan with Window Cleaning Specialties. I know some of you guys are interested in my water-fed pole setup and how I clean out tracks with my water-fed pole hose. So, turn on the flow controller. I have on-demand hot water in my tank. So that's my setup back here. I'll show you a little bit of it. Pump, on-demand water heater, my propane tank. So on the water-fed pole hose, I just have that valved off connection. Used a pencil jet from my old pole brush that I no longer use. So you can just click that on, get the water running through it. Dogs are up this morning. My tracks aren't very dirty, but